Hi, it's Deb from Deb's Days. It's Tutorial Tuesday, and today I'm coming to you from a cruise ship off the coast of Belize. Belize is a tender port, which means we have to take a smaller boat to get to shore. We're not the only ship out here today. We have a couple carnival ships joining us. Since I'm on a ship, we're going to go with a ship-themed craft. Today we're going to fold a dollar bill to make a little ship. All you need for this project is a dollar bill. Place the dollar face down. Fold it in half, left to right. With the dollar face up, fold the top layer to the left. Flip it over and fold the other side to the center too. Flip it over, fold it to the right, flip it over, and fold it to the left. Flip it over and fold the edge to the left. Flip again and fold to the right. Open the bill up, except for the very ends. Now fold the top corners down a bit, then fold the top of the bill down. Now here's the hardest part. On those top corners, you have to open them a little bit and fold them into a little triangle. When you have those folded, it'll look like the dollar has a couple posts at the end. With the back of the bill facing up, fold the bottom, then fold the corners up to match the edge. Flip the bill over. Fold in using that previous fold as a guide. Now unfold the top layer on the right. It will make the pointy part of the ship. Then do the same with the left to make the other point. In ship terms, you just made the forward and aft portions of the ship. Fold up the bottom portion of the bill. Flip it over and you have yourself a little cruise ship, ready for sailing. If you'd like to see more craft projects like this one, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and stop by the blog at debsdays.com. See you next week with another project.